right here as I'm standing in this hall. I can actually feel like some heat. We don't use the heat in Florida, so I don't know. Maybe it's a sign.
Hi friends,
it's the Everything Tampa ladies, and today we are here at the beautiful Tampa Theater. Besides being one of the most famous buildings here in Tampa, it is also known to be one of the most haunted. So we are so excited tonight to be here with all this paranormal activity that has been spreading. There were actually 3 best friends that got together and formed the Ghost Brothers. The Ghost Brothers is a television series that is streaming on Discovery Plus. Yep. They actually go to different areas and they investigate supernatural activity. So here we are today at the Tampa Theater. Not only are we going to show you around, we are going to spend some time with the Ghost Brothers and hear about their investigation and what they found here at the Tampa Theater. Let's get this show on the road. We got a seat on the balcony today. We're so excited. There was a story about a spirit that's dressed in white and she walks the balcony on a regular basis. So I can't wait to see what happens. Yay! We just took 4 pictures because the employee told us if you take 3 pictures in a row that you might be able to see the spirit. we just realized that we're on the second story, so we're totally going down to the third story, and we're gonna find seat number 308. That seat is the most haunted seat in the theater. It is known to have a ghost that sits in it that wears a fedora.
Yay!
I hope no one's sitting in it, or we probably gonna have to ask him to get up so we can take a picture. When you walk through the stairwells here, you actually get this chill just thinking about all of the stories and how there could possibly be spirits running around. We hope that we capture one on film today. Let's see what happens. So we found seat number 308 and nobody is sitting in it. I don't know if it's our imagination, but when I walked over here, I could smell cigars, which was very interesting because this actually is a non-smoking building. Right here, as I'm standing in this hall, I can actually feel like some heat. We don't use the heat in Florida, so I don't know. Maybe it's a sign.
Maybe it's these smoking hot bums.
That was good. But we didn't have that sign from the other day.
Yep, smoking hot bun.
You need to find a thing that says smoking hot bun.
That does feel hot there. That's
We are getting ready to go to the balcony to watch the Ghost Brothers on stage. And ironically, we are sitting right next to seat 308. I swear I am not lying, so help me.
Our 96th birthday, and 96 years ago we were showing silent movies on this big screen. The stage I'm standing on was an orchestra pit, and we had this amazing Mighty Worlds of Theater organ sitting right here. That organ is still there. It's actually under the stage, and we can bring it up on special occasions. In fact, Friday night is going to be a really special occasion because we are showing Hitchcock's The Lodger.
So we just finished up at the Ghost Brothers show this evening, and it was pretty funny.
Very funny.
It was
I enjoyed
funny
it. Yeah.
And
little spooky.
a little spooky, yes.
Did you feel anything while you were there? Do you think that you had any paranormal interactions?
I personally did not. How about you?
I actually feel like I did. I felt chills when I sat by seat number 308. And also when walking up to 308, I could smell a very heavy cigar smell. So that was definitely two strange things that happened.
So I'd say overall we had a pretty good evening.
Very good.
And we definitely enjoyed the show. So until next time,
Cheers!